Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel, A Day with Paris. Long time no see. I know, but it's okay because we're coming back and we're gonna come back better and a lot stronger, you guys. Shout out, before we start anything else, you guys, shout out to everyone that has commented on my post-grad depression video. All of your kind words have been so touching. I love being able to hear your story and what you guys are going through, and it just makes me feel a little bit better with myself. That I know that I'm not going crazy. But right now, we're gonna be talking about my Fabfitfun summer box that I received, you guys. Alright, so before we get started, like this video because I'm posting, you guys. Subscribe, stop what you're doing right now because you've been on my channel this far. You've been waiting for me to post another video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that bell as well so you get all the notifications once my uploads are live, and go ahead and comment down below how much you miss me because I am so glad to be seeing you guys right now. I'm so glad you guys clicked on this video right now, and I'm just so glad that you've been sticking in there with me this long. All right, so let's get into my Fabfitfun box, my summer box that I was sent. So thank you guys so much, Fabfitfun, for sending this box to me, sending what's inside. I already peeked. I had to, guys, because you send me a box with goodies inside. You want me to wait until I record the video? I can't do it. So I have this beautiful, like, aloha feeling kind of a box from Fabfitfun. You guys, this is like a beautiful box, and if I don't do anything else, I know I'm gonna keep this box. If you know, I'm a stickler for good packaging, good presentation, all that good jazz. And this, when I unboxed this box, I was sealed, signed, sealed, and delivered. Alrighty, so when you open the box, you guys, it's pink, got the flowers. Like I said, you feel like you're in Hawaii right now. Real aloha vibes. I love it. So when I first opened my box, I have some goodies on the top. So let's see what we have, you guys. So while we're unboxing, I'm gonna be telling you guys some awesome things about Fabfitfun and why you should definitely get a subscription with them and start, you know, customizing your box as well. So, okay, so before I do that, I've been wanting to try HelloFresh for the longest. Like, I love to cook, I love to try different things. So they sent me an $80 gift card, which I love because I'm going to be using this. Like, I think I'm going to order some stuff and do a video so you guys can see me cooking it. Shout out to y'all because I don't know how y'all, especially the stuff in the box, I don't know how y'all knew, but y'all freaking know me. What y'all been doing? Stalking me? No, just playing. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this out and definitely record me cooking the items that I get out of there. Also, okay, just so you guys know, this box is in collaboration or in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. So this is the magazine that they gifted me as well. All right, so before we get all the way up in this box, some good things about Fabfitfun, you guys. It helps you discover new brands. Once you get this box, you're gonna see some brands that you have not seen before or some brands that you have seen before. Mind you, they're all full size. There's no travel size, nothing in this box. This is all full size items, like you're buying it from the store or from the company offline, straight off the printer. So it's very convenient. It saves you some money as well because you're getting at least a good 8 to 10 items within your box, or however you customize your box. You get that full size product in your box sent to you, besides you having to go to the store here and there, everywhere where it's not working, you guys. All right, so let's get into this. So you guys, I have a Grace. So the first item is Grace and Stella. This is a spray all day rose spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. You know what, let's open these bad boys while we at it. I don't got nothing else to do. You don't either because you're watching my video. Ooh, good choice. This is so cute. Ooh, this is so cute. So this is a hydrating rose facial spray. You know, some people use facial sprays for their makeup, so let's get those first sprays working. Oh, the smell of this, you guys. I love the smell of flowers or roses or anything, and this smells just like roses. Oh, I like this. Next thing we have in here, we have an Ico London. This is an I Do Liquid eyeliner. I'm reading what it says. I Do Liquid eyeliner. It says it lines and enhances your eyes. Of course, it's in the color black, and this is a felt tip, I believe. This is a felt tip liner. Yep, this is felt tip. If you guys can see that, that's so cute. And ooh, perfect. This is like black, carbon black. So this is like the blackest of the black, y'all. Shout out to all my black people out there. Honestly, I need this because I be trying to do wing liners and I just be all jacked and all over the place. So this is definitely gonna help me with my wing eyelining mechanisms and whatnot. I love this, you guys. And I definitely love Fabfitfun because when you customize your box or you get sent a box, there's products and items in here that you probably or normally would not have used if it wasn't for them, because some of this stuff in here, I need it, and I'm telling you, I need this stuff in my life. This is a brightening purple clay mask by Generation Clay. This is so cute. Oh, it's made in Australia, you guys. It's cruelty free. We could always stand for a company that's cruelty free, so shout out to y'all. This is their ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. I'm not going to open this right now because it's not open, and I'm not going to do this right now or put this on my face, but I am going to do a like face mask pamper me type of a video. So I will be using the products in here, so watch out for that video as well, you guys. So the next thing we have on the planet in this box is going to be from Intelligent Nutrients. This is going to be our refining micro polish. So this helps smooth, exfoliates, superfine treatment, gently sweeps away dull surface surface cells, and purifies pores. It's for all skin types because you know your girl is a little dry and a little oily. So we love good face care routines. So anything that I could add to my face care routine or my skin care routine that's going to help improve it, I am here for it. I stand for it. So we're going to try this out as well with that mask. Doesn't really have a smell. Can't really smell anything right now, but this is cute. Ooh, so I saw these in my, I be seeing these. Let me correct my grammar. I see these on people, like I see them wearing these around and put the wearing these in their hair. So this is super dope, super cool. These are the crystal clear and to be nude, to be the names of these things are so cute. So this is crystal clear, and this color or the name of this scrunchie is to be or nude to be. This is so cute. This is the nude and that's the clear. But these are the traceless hair rings, the invisible bauble, however you say them, you guys. They're scrunchies, they're clear, they're not going to tangle up your hair, stuff like that. So yeah. Alrighty, so the next thing we have, and when I say y'all, they know me. Like, I don't know if y'all been listening in text messages, phone calls and stuff, but how did y'all know I needed this foot mask? Exfoliating foot mask at that. So this is by Wish. I believe that's how you say it, Wish. This is a coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. It smooths and softens with the intense hydration. Y'all, my feet is so dry right now. Like, it should be if I rub, y'all can hear that? I can feel the heat coming off of my feet right now because baby, they's dry. And like, when I say, you guys, they have to like real deal be like stalking me because I've been on this kick of working out or getting back into the gym, and I've been looking for resistant bands for the longest, and I just haven't found the kind that I've been wanting. So I was sent 3 resistant bands by Burn 60. I guess that's how it is, Burn 60. Never settle for average. That's what it says right here. This is so cute, you guys. So it says Burn 60 is a high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, tone, major group. Yes, you guys, this is what I was looking for. So this is Burn 60 medium, the black bands. This is Burn 60 light, the white bands. And the third band is heavy, Burn 60. So we're gonna open up the medium one. And these, yes, like you guys, you know how some resistant bands come like all just one string and you have to tie it and stuff? I didn't want that. I wanted the whole, like I wanted a band, like a real resistant band, you guys. Oh, squats, squatting. Oh. I'm finna squat my ass off, y'all. I'm finna get toned up. Tones up, you guys. Won't be able to tell me anything. Let's try out this heavy one because I'm trying to get heavy in the gym and I need everything. Like when I first opened up this box, you guys, I swear to you, well, okay, I swear to you, they had to be stalking me. Okay, so this one is the whole ribbon thing. It's okay, you know, I could tie it together and still do what I needed to do, but I love the bands that are like this because I don't have to tie it. I just put that bad boy on and be gone. I'm loving all this facial and exfoliating and body cleansing and body getting your ass together and get your stuff together products that I've received in this package. But I have these rolled gold brightening facial treatment mask, and you guys, I can't wait to honestly just do like a little spa day for me because sometimes you need it. So this comes with 5 masks. I definitely want to try this out. I haven't had like the full face mask type of mask before, so I can't wait to try these out. Okay, so the last 2 products, last but definitely not least, are from the same company. This is Sol, S-O-L, Sol. So their first thing I got is the Brazilian foreplay. You know, I'm just not reading the title of this. Brazilian foreplay. This is a moisturizing shower gel, cream gel. But Brazilian foreplay, what? Y'all got me, you know, never mind. But yeah, this is their moisturizing shower cream gel. I cannot wait to use this. It says very hydrating and very moisturizing, so we're definitely going to use this tonight. So yeah, and then the next thing we use, I probably use both of these together, is their fast burning. This fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other. So this is their Sol del, I don't know, because I'm not about to pronounce this wrong, but this is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. I love the name for this. And I've been honestly looking for, I've been wanting to try this out for the longest, honestly, because I just like how it says Bum Bum cream. I'm weird, I know, but I'm definitely gonna try this out, you know, tonight after I use the shower gel. So this is so cool, you guys. I am loving this this box. Like, this summer box is it. I love it. I'm so happy Fabfitfun decided to send this to me, you guys. I really love this. Like, I can't complain about anything in here, and I kid you not, I swear they had to be like stalking me, because how did you guys know I needed half of this stuff? Gosh. Okay, so yeah, we had to take a pause in the video, but it's okay. But we're back. This hand cream, body rub, body lotion is bomb.com. Like, this stuff smells so freaking bomb. Like, so bomb. Like, so bomb. But yeah, you guys already know I am looking out for you guys just like they're looking out for me. So I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys. If you use ADAYWITHPARIS, it'll be on the screen and down in the description box. This box is valued at $200, but ordering all this stuff from them, you will only get this box for $49.99. That is bomb.com. especially for having full-size products. I really hope you guys enjoyed like all the products that were in this summer box, because I am in love with this Fabfitfun summer box, you guys. I'm definitely going, look, this, I'm so excited to use this, you guys, because I'm definitely going to like go on the computer right now and start ordering my stuff. This is gonna be so freaking bomb. I can't wait to make some videos with me doing this. This is gonna be so fun, you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I definitely enjoyed opening everything and seeing what was in it and showing you guys. As always, you guys, like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And while you're at it, stay black, stay blessed, and stay beautiful, my baby loves. And I'll see you guys later.